Okay, what you're looking at is the HDC Galaxy Note 2 clone, and this is what the box contains, the phone itself. And I requested for the Samsung logo, so it's right here. A back cover, 2800 battery, as usual, earpiece in black, charger, and USB. There is no screen protector included, so I went out and got myself a Galaxy Note 2 screen protector and stuck it on. As you can see, mine is a matte screen protector, and the top part of it is not covered, so the camera and the sensors are not covered on top. Okay, this phone is really well built. It's similar to the previous HDC Galaxy Note 2, which is the Zoppo ZP900 clone. It's got a nice bezel. This appears to be a sort of a stainless steel alloy. Android logo on the back. 5.0 megapixel camera, LED flash, 3.5 mm jack. This is the headphone jack, and USB charging port. Okay, now I'm gonna open the phone, and this is really nail breaking. It is really difficult, especially the first time when you try to open this. I've opened this around about 20 to 30 times already, so it's easier to open, but it still takes an effort. Okay, so what I got is the battery, 2 SIM slots, WCDMA slot, GSM slot. The WCDMA slot, I have a Singapore card here, and I have a Vietnam SIM card, and of course the micro SD card. So I'm going to show you guys the before and after the ROM upgrade. Singtel and StarHub. There's one card from Vietnam and it is roaming. So that's the Singtel one, and StarHub is my primary card of choice. As you can see, it's Jelly Bean with the dots. And it's got a really nice Samsung interface. Okay, what is wrong with this is that the switches on top, all the switches here do not work properly at one time or another. So let me just show okay, this is the flight mode, so everything should turn off, but the Wi-Fi stays on. The Wi-Fi is still staying on. Okay, it's supposed to be off on flight mode. So I'm gonna turn flight mode back on. As you can see, it does not turn on. the two SIM cards here, the two SIM cards are turned off. So how do I turn the SIM cards on? I would have to go to phone, pull this down and select StarHub. StarHub, turn on. Searching for StarHub, there it is. Mobile phone, turn on, and somehow StarHub disappeared. Okay, so what I have to do now is go to settings, SIM management, and try to turn this on. But you know, I can't turn this on because it is not even activated. As you can see, only one SIM is available to me, and I cannot turn anything on and off. Try to enable it from here. Now it is searching now. Sometimes you would have to go to the main menu, and sometimes it still doesn't work. Let me turn off data, off. As you can see, nothing happened. Data off again, and it's turning the data off. And it does not turn the data off. You cannot turn the data off. And then when you really do turn the data off, you cannot turn it on. So that's one of the problems with the phone. And sometimes Wi-Fi will put you in the mode that is in between. So it's like connected, but you can't get through. So this is the problem with the phone. And I'm going to flash it and come right back. So Wi-Fi is now on. Wi-Fi is off. So HSPA is now turned on. Turn off data. Turn off, and it is off. Okay, oops. As you can see, H is not there. HSPA is now turned off. Turn that on, and it is now on. Airplane mode, turn that off. Okay. Turn on Wi-Fi. Turn on Bluetooth. Turn on GPS. And turn off flight mode. It turned off everything except GPS. So brightness does work. And everything is back on. Everything works like how it's supposed to work. Let's take a look at some of the other features of the phone. It's got a nice screen. It's nice and bright, saturated colors. Viewing angles are like just normal. This is a normal LCD. It is not a IPS screen. It's got okay viewing angles. It's like normal. So this is the results I got the last time I tested for the detailed scores. Okay, and as you can see, the device is pretty fast. System info. Memory is 1 GB of RAM. Now to do the Bluetooth test. So this is the HDC Galaxy S3EX, and you can note the size difference. To turn on Bluetooth, okay, make it visible. Turn on Bluetooth here. Okay, looks like it has found. Pair. Looking for file manager, phone storage, Bluetooth, everybody's favorite song, share, Bluetooth, sending files, and it has got that Samsung notification tone. Incoming file, accept. Okay, and it is done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer the other way around. Okay, the next try seems to be working out fine. Maybe it is you have to try a couple of times before it does a correct handshake. And the GPS indeed does work really well. It has detected 12 satellites in about a minute and locked on really quickly. So here's the screenshot. Okay, that's GPS for you. We look at Play Store now, and it is really buttery smooth. As you can see, maps, and as you can see on my Gmail here, 2 accounts. Okay, it is super smooth. Browser test. This is the fastcard text site. Very smooth. So now to show you the settings on the phone. It's got a Samsung style settings menu. It's got the usual stuff like that. Percentage. Storage, it has got 504 megabytes of memory storage space and 14.83 gigabytes, which is the SD card which I put in, and it's also got a phone storage, which I believe you can change this to application storage. So the usual stuff here, and about phone. Okay, so this is real Android Jelly Bean. Okay, speed racing. Graphics details on high settings. Now I will do some camera test. Okay. Okay, we have come to the end of this review, and I would like to conclude that this is a nice phone. If you know and you can flash the phone, Jelly Bean has made this phone really smooth, really quick, and it is a real pleasure to use this phone. The cameras are okay as well. The only bad thing about this is the missing compass. So if you don't really need the compass, you can consider this phone. This phone is available at Fastcard Tech. Please use my links to go to Fastcard Tech, and hope you have enjoyed this video, and see you again next time.